Morning, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is October the 12th. It's about noon, 12 o'clock, give or take a little bit. This is hive number 400A, and it's a double deep double deep nuke 5 frame. We'll take a look, see what they do. See if they need another box or a bigger box. And I don't know if y'all will notice, my bees are real good. This looks like one maybe I just put water in. Okay, that one has honey and nectar in it. We have a beetle over here that didn't pass the test. This is honey, got some nectar in there, and that's why I gave them water. If we've got a honey flow going on and it's hot like it's been being here, I give them water in there because that way you've got more bees looking for nectar and bringing nectar back instead of having to bring the water back, because the babies can't fly to go get water. So the adult bees has to go out and get them water and bring the water back. You put water in the hive, and if the baby needs water, they can say, go upstairs and get your own, you know. This one's honey. This is where our old queen cell was. Take that off. Where the cup was, take that off. And that way they'll finish building here. Because if you leave them on there, it takes a long time to get them to build on. But that's honey. Nectar. So they're building it up. And they're building foundation. Now this one, we have capped honey over here and some nectar. Down here we have nectar and different kinds of pollen. And over here we have what this little hanging down thing is. This is probably where the queen came from when she was hatched for this. This is an old leftover from queen cell. We're going to leave that queen cell there. This one has a little brood here, honey up here, nectar and pollen. This looks like the same size. Got a little brood there, some honey and some nectar and pollen. Then we'll look down here and see what we got. Okay, make sure you can see. I think I might need a new tripod. This one keeps going down. Or sometimes it goes up. And I lose my focus. Okay, this one they're building on. No bugs. They have nectar in here. And on that side. Beetle trap, got a few little beetles in it. Dead. And I'm at the entrance, y'all. Okay, this one has nectar on it. A little honey right here. No queen yet. Bottom looks okay. Back around where it's supposed to be. There's the white queen. She's right there. Okay. We have eggs and larvae here, and we have nectar here. We have the same thing on this side with eggs all in this area. This is all just nectar, and this over here is nectar. Has the queen on it, so it goes back quickly. We were wondering where the eggs were, didn't we? This one has brood and eggs and larvae here, honey here, and nectar there. Same thing on this side. We know where the bees are now, don't we? But it'd be nice if the bees would take one frame, fill it up with honey and nectar, and then go to the next one so the queen can keep a place to lay. This is all nectar here, this is honey, and this is all captive brood and eggs and stuff. And this one, same thing. So I think what we're going to wind up doing with this, put her in a bigger box. That'll give her 6. If I did put a double 8 here, that will give them 6 more frames. So she's running out of room. To lay, which is called honey bound, which you don't really want the bees to get that way. For a whole bunch of reasons. Oh, I got a squirrel. Sometimes you gotta smoke the little girls to get her out of the way so they don't get squished when you put this in. Okay. A little bit of pollen. Put this one down here. And like I say, we'll probably put them in a bigger box. Put this here. It was in this one. I think. That there. pollen. Close them up. This is Sam. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Bye.